Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a new wig that I really want to show you guys, and I also just want to play with makeup and talk with you guys. So if you would like to see this video, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to start it off with the new wig because it is so incredibly amazing. I haven't even cut the lace or anything because I wanted to show you guys exactly because it's so good. This is the brand ZL. I'm assuming how to pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure. The color, the texture, how it feels. It's absolutely amazing. How perfect is this wig? It is just absolutely stunning. Look at those colors. The knots have been bleached. I have not cut the lace yet, so I'm going to put this on and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like without cutting the lace first. So I did not cut it or anything. It is still not attached or anything. And it just looks so cute with this wig. This is the color it came with, and then this is the curls it came with as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace now and then kind of glue it on, and I'm gonna start the makeup. Alright, so my neighbor just started cutting their grass, so we're gonna still move on because I want to play with makeup. Alright, so I have my amazing wig on. I have two colors for this foundation. This is the Lancome Tint Ultra Wear. These are the small little ones. I'm not sure what's going to match to me, so we're just going to shake this and hopefully that it matches. I don't think I've ever used this foundation, so we're going to see how it is. It seems already to be very liquidy, so we will see how this goes. It's very hydrating, which is probably good because I have the driest skin probably in the world. I actually really like it. It's doesn't have much coverage, so if you like full coverage, you probably don't like this. I'm not sure if you've tried it, but I actually really like it. I see that it's you can see a little bit of glow, but not glow, but it's very I don't know, I think it's really nice actually. Concealer, I'm going to go in my favorite Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm just going to go ahead and make myself super bright underneath the eye. I decided about a minute ago that I'm going to do a summer glow kind of makeup just because it is just such a glowy foundation. It's perfect for summer, especially since summer is right around the corner. So for teaching in Alabama, you are done teaching end of May. So only have about 2 more weeks left. I'm so excited. Just to set my under eye, I'm just gonna use this. Alright, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to go into my bronzer, and I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs. I love this. I love how big it is. I have the color 102. For me, since Alabama is so warm, it's basically, I feel like it's summer already. But today it's actually colder. It's 23. No, that was wrong. 73, not 22. So I'm just going to bronze a lot, and I'm just putting it around my perimeter and kind of trying to get into the hairline. Bronzer is my favorite makeup, in case you guys didn't know. I just feel just adding a little bit of bronzer with even just, okay, no, eyebrows too. But if you basically just add bronzer, it just really helps your face. Next, I'm going to use my Smashbox stick. I love these types of blushes, especially this one. These are pretty, this one's pretty old. I'm not sure if they still have this, but oh, it is just so good. I need to use a more dense brush. It's just so pretty, and it glows as well. Look at the glow. Can you guys see that? Oh, it's just gorgeous. Like you can see just from here, like the glow of it. And then just look how pretty that color is. I honestly, again, don't know if they still have these because it's for a couple years ago. But oh, they're gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna try going in with this. This is the MAC Hyper Real Foundation is what they're saying it was. But I'm gonna use this as a highlighter because it basically is a highlighter. I think you're supposed to just like add it with your foundation. But like the glow is beautiful and I wanna see if I can just kind of like, oh yes, you can. It looks so natural, you see that? I'm just gonna kind of tipple it. Is it the word? Tipple it? No. Dapple it? I don't know what the word is. And I'm just gonna basically putting it everywhere. It's just such a gorgeous color and it makes you look so glowy. Alright, I'm gonna go into my sponge and just making sure it's kind of blended where it should be, not like basically everywhere. So just making sure it looks good. I love that. Alright, I'm gonna go into the Laura Lee #1 palette. This is the Pats and Pajamas, and this is a beautiful palette. I've loved this for a while. And we're just gonna do very light eyeshadow and then we'll put some lashes and then we'll be good to go. Oh, I just want very neutral. I'm just gonna start off with this one. This is Bomb Diggity. All right, so I'm just gonna put it all over the lid. Next, I'm gonna put a little bit of Cray Cray. So I'm just putting the Cray Cray just on the outer part and then I'll just blend it up a little bit as well. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of Cookie, just a tiny smidge. I'm going to take a different brush just to blend that in. With nothing on this brush. It's dirty, but it's clean. Next, I'm going to take with my finger Scatterbrain and just on the inner part. Going back in and just blending the edges. Next for eyeliner, I'm going to use this. This is the Ish eyeliner in the color Chocolate. And I'm just going to put it as a wing going this way. And then I'm going to blend it with my finger and make it bigger. For eyelashes, I'm going to be using these. These are the Cocoa Queen Bee lashes. I love these lashes so much. They are beautiful. They're big and wispy and just absolutely perfect. And I'm going to put a little bit of mascara first. Alright, lashes are on. I've decided I'm not going to do anything underneath my lash line here. So I think it looks really cute without anything there. It's just like very... That's what I think. Alright, so last but not least, I'm going to put this lip liner on. This is the KKW lip liner in Nude 0.5. I use this all the time. And I'm just going to overline just a bit. For lip gloss, I'm going to use this. This is from Buxom. This is the Full On Plumping Lip Polish. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I love how glowy this makeup is and just very if that makes sense. And then obviously this amazing wig that I am absolutely loving, and I'm just like shocked that this is what it looked like right out of the box. It's so perfect. Let me know down below what other types of videos you would like to see next. And yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys so, so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!